Hi, welcome to SPJK Technosoft, your one-stop training platform for IT, pharma and other domain-specific areas. We have industry and domain-specific trainings in all major areas like ERP, SCM, CRM, finance, cloud technologies, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Salesforce, Big Data Technologies, Hadoop, HDFS, Hive, Pig, Apachi Spark, Hbase, Spark RDDs, Scala, Data Science, Python, R, Exploratory Data Analysis, Machine Learning Models, Supervised, Ensemble, Unsupervised, which covers in detail like regression, linear regression, multilinear, logistic regression, Naïve Bayes, KNN, decision trees, random forest, SVM, clustering, K-means, and many other machine learning and deep learning models. BI tools, Tableau, Microsoft Power BI testing tools like UFT, PC, Selenium, TOSCA. Robotic process automation softwares like Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, UiPath. Statistics for data science, measure of central tendency, measure of spread and other techniques in statistics like F1 score, Z-score, precision, recall, ROC curve covered in details. Pharma course, pharmacovigilance and many more. DevOps tools like Salt, Git, Jenkins, Nagios, Ansible and many other tools. The trainers are industry experienced with more than 20 years in their specific domain, who have graduated from reputed universities across world like US, Australia, UK, etc. In order to learn all these courses in our SPJK Technosoft YouTube channel, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates for free. Thank you and goodbye.